Do judges respect rulings from other districts or venues? Well, of course, they can take that into consideration because sometimes it's just common sense. But I think a judge would be far more motivated if you were to use the case law from the court that they're in. They've already made these decisions before, so you use case law in that court because judges normally follow stare decisis or precedent. They've already made that ruling, so they're more likely to stick to it. But I think an even more compelling case law to use would be for the court that's just above that court, the appellate court, where you would make an appeal if you get a ruling that's not in your favor. Now, why do I say that would be the case law that I would cite? Well, judges are going to act in their self-interest, and in their self-interest, they do not want to make a ruling that the appellate court can say, you know what, you didn't quite decide that properly, so I'm going to give you remedial work. I'm going to remand or kick it back down to you and try it again. So a judge doesn't want that. Secondly, a judge does not want to be reversed. If they make a decision for the plaintiff and it's appealed and the appellate court says, you know what, you really messed that up, we're going to reverse you. A judge doesn't want that either. So since the court that's going to be examining what that rule is in the event of an appeal, that's the appeals court, that's the case law that I would think would be the most effective and motivational for that judge to follow. Now, of course, there's also the Supreme Court. You can use that as well. But I would say your best bet would be to stick with the appellate court in your jurisdiction.